This is an Orion 104 RTC video monitor, CCTV monitor actually, which I use for retro computing. And this socket seems to be faulty. So I will try to open it and see what's what. And actually I haven't seen anything about how to dismantle this, but it seems that this plate just comes off. I don't know about the stand though. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, just stopped working. Unfortunately I don't have the power supply. I hate manual unscrewing, I really hate it, because it never ends. It's like a thing that you do forever and ever. Yeah. I just hope these screws are the right ones. I just hope. Gotta see. Gotta see. I will buy a power supply as soon as possible, but now it's long weekend here in Poland, so no fucking chance. Yeah. Okay, so it seems if we unscrew those screws, this whole assembly should stay inside the case. Will it be the case? The screws are of the same length, though. This is good news. I wonder if I'm doing something absolutely stupid and it will never work. Never. All right. Nothing, absolutely nothing. It's this thing, okay. That's pretty gnarly. Yeah, I think so. I think there will be some big disappointment. Right? Of course. Yeah. Big. No. So it was. See? I didn't need to unscrew the stand. Well. Okay. So I need to access the board. It seems okay. I wonder if there could be something very different, like, for example, maybe I should check it with some other source. Yeah, I guess. Okay, so here it is nicely propped. And some source is connected as video, and now Yeah, see? Almost Commodore. So this means there's another reason why my Atari actually doesn't work with this. And it works with Beamer. And I cleaned the plug, and I cleaned the socket, and I cleaned the other plug, and I cleaned the other socket. And it doesn't work with this monitor for some reason. But the socket is not wiggly, so I think it works okay. Yeah, that would be it.